When will your credit score recover after bankruptcy? Let's debunk some myths. Yes, bankruptcy stays on your credit report for 10 years, but it doesn't mean your credit is doomed. In fact, your score can bounce back faster than you might expect. The reality is that many factors can go into determining your credit score before or after bankruptcy. Oftentimes, it is possible to get your credit score to the 700 range within 2 years of completing bankruptcy. But when creditors start calling, banking issues arise, or there is a potential to lose your home, sometimes the more important question to ask is which type of debt resolution should you go for and how to quickly remedy the situation. With so many paths to explore, finding the right one could potentially save you thousands of dollars and a lot of unnecessary stress. So which option is better suited for you? We offer a free consultation so we can guide you through your options. Simply call or text 808-201-6000 to get started or visit squareonelegal.com.